Did you know that children of divorced parents who practice emotional intelligence tend to cope better and thrive? If you're going through a divorce and you want to ensure that your kids come out stronger, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Keisha Golder, and in today's video, using emotional intelligence for effective parenting during divorce, we're diving into how emotional intelligence can transform your parenting during a divorce. In today's video, we'll explore understanding emotional intelligence and its benefits in parenting, navigating emotional challenges, improving communication skills, conflict resolution strategies, maintaining stability, and modeling healthy emotional behavior. Let's dive in. First, let's define emotional intelligence, or EQ as some may call it. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of others. It includes five key components, which are self awareness, self regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Self awareness is recognizing your own emotions, self regulation is managing those emotions, motivation is using your emotions to achieve goals. Empathy is understanding others' emotions, and social skills are managing your relationships effectively. Why EQ important in personal relationships and parenting, especially during divorce? Emotional intelligence helps you stay connected to your emotions and manage them constructively. It enhances your ability to communicate effectively, understand and empathize with your child's feelings, and maintain those healthy relationships. This is crucial during divorce, which is a time when emotions are high and stability is essential for your children. Emotional intelligence can significantly improve communication with your children during stressful times. By being aware of your emotions and regulating them, you can approach conversations with empathy and patience. This helps your children feel heard and supported, reducing their stress as well as their anxiety. Additionally, managing your own emotions is key. Divorce can be an emotional roller coaster for all involved, but maintaining your composure sets a positive example for your children. It shows them that it's okay to feel a range of emotions, but it's important to handle them in a healthy way. This creates a calmer environment for everyone involved. Recognizing and addressing your child's emotions during divorce is vital. Pay attention to changes in their behavior and encourage them to express their feelings. Ask open ended questions like, how are you feeling about everything? And really listen to their responses. Validate their feelings and reassure them that it is okay to feel whatever they're feeling. Staying calm and composed when emotions are high is another challenge. Practice deep breathing and mindfulness techniques to keep your emotions in check. When you stay calm, it helps your children feel more secure and less anxious about the changes happening around them. To improve communication skills, focus on active listening and empathy. Make eye contact, nod, and repeat back what you hear to show that you understand and care. This builds trust and strengthens your relationship with your children. Maintaining clear and open communication with your ex partner is also crucial for effective co parenting. Keep conversations focused on the children and use I statements to express your thoughts without blame. This helps in making decisions that are in the best interest of your children without unnecessary conflict. When it comes to conflict resolution, use EQ based methods. Address conflicts calmly, listen to your child's perspective, and work together to find solutions. This teaches your children problem solving skills and shows them that conflict can be resolved peacefully. Handling disagreements with your ex partner without involving the children is essential. Resolve issues privately and avoid discussing conflicts in front of the kids. This protects them from additional stress and keeps their focus on adjusting to a new family dynamic. Emotional intelligence plays a significant role in creating a stable environment for your children. Consistency in routines provides a sense of security for children during these times. Stick to familiar schedules and continue family traditions to provide comfort and continuity. Suggest ways to maintain routines and traditions during the transition. This could mean keeping bedtime rituals, family dinners, or weekend activities consistent. These small efforts go a long way in making your children feel safe. Finally, modeling healthy emotional behavior is crucial. Children learn by watching their parents. Demonstrating emotional intelligence teaches them how to handle their own emotions, show patience, practice active listening, and express your emotions deeply. Share examples of healthy emotional behaviors to exhibit in front of your children. This could include discussing your feelings openly, showing empathy towards others, and handling stress in a positive way. These behaviors help your children develop their own emotional intelligence. Today, we've covered understanding and its benefits in parenting, navigating emotional challenges, improving communication, resolving conflict, maintaining stability, and modeling healthy behavior. These strategies can help you and your children thrive during a divorce. Try these strategies and let me know how they work for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video with others who might find it helpful. If you have any questions or tips, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.